Hello there. We would like to introduce you our bleaching online course. This is pretty easy course. We have invested much of our time, much efforts in order to get this course into much easier to learn it, to do it, at your own workplace. All these hairs, what you see there, was black, natural black, dark brown, and some of them may be light brown, or even some gray hairs. After bleaching them, we get these beautiful colors. They're very soft, absolutely undamaged hair. These hairs can be used for blonde hair extensions, for light brown hair extensions, honey blonde, hair extensions, caramel blonde, and even platinum blonde hair extensions. You may also use these hairs on wigs, closures, frontals, any hair units. As you see, hairs are very silky, oily, and undamaged. The original condition of the hair stays after hair was bleached. You can bleach at your own place 1 kilo, or maybe 2 kilos, or maybe 5 kilos, or even 10 kilos at one time. It really depends on your volume of your selling. As you can see in here, just washing it through, just to remove the acid which previously we used to bleach the hairs. This water is not that toxic, because that could be thrown into the sink. Now this is almost last stage, where you can see the hair is smooth, nice, silky, fine and soft, blonde. It's ready for use. Just dry it naturally, and then it could be used in any extensions or wigs, as I told you earlier, any hair units. Also, I get questions from many hairstylists: can the hairs be colored? Yes, of course. This hair is 100% natural hair. It's just bleached, the chemically pigments being removed from the hair as much as possible. So the hair is still hair. It can be colored, styled, permed, whatever you do with regular hair, you can do exactly the same thing with bleached hair. Bleached hair is still human hair. It's just, dark colors being removed from the hair ponytails, hair strands, And also please note in here, if the hair originally was wavy, after bleaching the hair, the wavy texture stays as it was earlier. Bleaching does not remove waviness. Wavy hair does not become straight hair. Wavy hair stays wavy hair. Straight hair stays straight hair, and curly hair stays curly hair. Bleaching simply removes the dark pigments. And please note, some of the hairs are very light, some of the hairs are medium light, some of the hairs are like light brownish. It depends on the hair as well. Some hairs, they are easier to bleach, they bleach faster, and then they can, you know, reach the lightness much faster. Others, they do get bleached a bit slowly, but again, you know, these hairs, they can be re-bleached again. However, very, you know, carefully bleach them. If you want to bleach them again to reach even higher color, like, you know, people say it's sometimes platinum, you could do it, but you have to be, you know, you have to know your job. You have to be very careful. We've been doing it for a few years now. If I would do it, then if I had an order for platinum hair, I would, you know, re-bleach the hair, no problem. However, I would be very careful. I would not risk a kilogram of hair. I would just do maybe, you know, half a kilo or maybe even less. Because re-bleaching the bleached hair, it's slightly, you know, dangerous. When you're bleaching the dark hair, for example, this hair originally had some colors on it. It could have been some henna, or it could have been just any, you know, any color that is sold in the shop. You see, the hair is now very beautiful light brown or maybe dark blondish color. This hair, it would be very difficult to get it into light blonde. You won't do that, you know. It's just risky. You will damage the hair. We want you to learn bleaching the hair with undamaging way. So if you're interested, please let us know. Please sign up. Let us know. Thank you so much. Bye. Eastern Hair.